Hello, Market Club members and traders everywhere. Jeremy Lutz here with your midday market update for the 9th of May 2012. Today is Wednesday, and boy, what a day. We're actually going, this is the 6th day in a row that the markets have been down, and it seems that everybody's really concerned with what's going on in Europe. And of course, the markets today are chasing the European levels down as Europe closed down as well today. So we'll see how we end up today. But just want to start off by reminding everybody, if you're not a Market Club member yet, please join and check out some of the exciting new things we got going on here. Today we have, of course, our daily exchange. Oil, just kind of a headline this morning was oil supplies expected to rise, and currently 18 different comments on a myriad of things going on in the market, sharing trading ideas, sharing different strategies, showing things that we're looking at. Conversation is always not dictated by what the question or the statement of the day was, but with that, let's get right to the markets. We're going to start with the S&P 500. Issued a weekly red triangle yesterday at the 1358.79 level. Intermediate terms are now out of the market in a sideline position. Short-term traders are actually short this market, and long-term, we remain long-term. We still believe long-term that this market's going to be going up even with the recent action. Moving along to silver. Silver's been tough. A little bit of a flat day today, as well as gold, but we're still negative 90, all red across the board. Everybody's in short position with appropriate money management. Same goes for gold. All red across the board, still negative 90. Kind of same thing, a flat day today. I think this is really kind of indicative of what's going on with Europe. People may be looking for a safe haven in gold and silver. Time will tell, but still just kind of a flat day. A huge down day yesterday. Really took a hit, kind of went through that key 1600 level that people have been talking about, currently trading at 1589.24. Moving along to copper. Copper I thought had a surprising day 3 days ago with the update, but the trend has kind of resumed down a little bit. We're still long-term and intermediate-term long, short-term we're on sidelines, waiting for this triangle to turn green. Crude oil has gotten beaten. It looks like our, Adam had been looking at the $125 level as well as a lot of other analysts. They were looking at this huge energy field that they thought was building. Well, with recent news and things going on in Europe, it's just driven the price down. Currently trading 96.20. We're short across the board, long-term, intermediate, and short-term. On reds currently trading at negative 90. Not surprising to see the euro-US dollar going down with the recent action over there. Red weekly on 5/6 at 1299. Negative 90, currently short across the board in all time frames. Still down day today, down at 1294, and kind of bounced a little bit off the bottom there. We'll have to see how that plays out the rest of the day. And of course, the CRB index weekly issued earlier this week as well, still heading down the 294.31 level, score of negative 90, or short across the board in all time frames as well. And believe it or not, we still have 3 stocks that were moving today, still plus 100s. I've actually found these in our new recent trade triangle scan, which I'll kind of go over here real quick in a second. But here we have Dean Foods, plus 100. We resumed a long position on 430 at $12.20, currently trading 1401 with a nice green daily trade triangle today. The XL group, same thing, plus 100. We'd actually gotten long backs again, according to the system, on a weekly trade triangle at 21.99. Kind of had some sideways action, currently trading at 22.25. We'll have to watch this and kind of see how that keeps playing out. Walt Disney, everything's happy in the Magic Kingdom apparently. Chart score plus 100. Again, we had gotten long 5-1 at 43.65, currently trading at 45.21. We'll actually take a look at this here and see. We're actually in new high ground for 52 weeks, and actually looks like we're new high ground for the last 2 years. So This may be something that we'll revisit on Friday. We may want to watch this for our 52-week high roll going into the weekend. Again, long from 43.65 right now, 45.20. Nice little trade there. And I've mentioned the recent trade triangle list. Dave Mayer, our partner and head of our technical support team, along with our tech team, has developed and redesigned our recent trade triangle list. Now, if you're familiar with MarketClub, you'll remember that you only had equities, trade triangles, and a time frame. We've now added this sort where you can sort it by volume right here. So if you're looking for things greater than 2 million, you want to look at say monthly trade triangles, search today. We'll hit the go button here, and there you go. And you also have these, if you want, you can sort them by volume, which is nice. So you can sort this whole column. It'll give you a top to bottom by volume. You can actually sort by last price change, percentage, detected. Actually, this is a new thing right here. It'll tell you detected on 5/9 at 12:39. The system now is scanning constantly. It's just constantly going through the market looking for new trade triangles triggered, and as soon as it finds them, it's going to pull them into the system. Nice little feature you'll notice out here is the trade triangles. And you can actually just hover over each one. It'll tell you red daily at this price at this date. So you actually know when each of these will trigger. Really making this an easier system to use to find trades throughout the course of the day. Really nice feature. Again, if you're not a MarketClub member, $8.95. Take the trial. You get 30 days to try it out and see these new things. Of course, we debuted this a few days ago on our blog. Kind of rolled it out to show our members what was coming, and we've had great feedback so far, as well as some great additions that they'd like to see to things that Dave and the team have been working on. So kudos to Dave and the team. Again, this is Jeremy Lutz standing in for Adam Hewison. Stay tuned for our written update tomorrow, and we'll recap Friday, and we'll take a look at this Walt Disney and see if we actually get a 52-week high trade out of it or not. Everybody have a great day, and every success.